Hey y'all, I've got some almonds here today. We're just gonna quickly chop these up. If your store already sells them pre-chopped, all the better. I'd buy them that way if you can. But you know, sometimes you can't find them pre-chopped or you have them whole already and it's just easier to chop what you have at home. So nothing fancy like with other nuts or things like this. You know, I'm really just cutting through taking the knife through a pile of it, pushing them back together as I need to. You know, going a little slow just to make sure I cut through right, and I want to cut through all the pieces, and I want to try and get the pieces as uniform as I can, but I'm not sweating it. You know, there's no point. The whole idea with these is really to get them to a size that they're going to be easier to get on a fork or something like that, or if you're roasting them, to make them kind of a uniform size for roasting. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. You know, as I've said with other things, with this, there's no need to kind of take one at a time and try and slice through like that and be like super diligent about getting you know, special shapes or making them perfect. Rough chop is all you need to do. That's it for today.